Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com as well as your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Monday morning forecast update. I hope everybody had just a wonderful Christmas weekend and hopefully get a couple more days break from whatever you have to do. But our temperatures today, if you do have some outdoor plans, on the chilly side once again, but we'll actually wind up close to 50 degrees or so this afternoon. You see the question marks there early this morning. We actually do have a little bit of precipitation moving into the northern Arklatex, which likely, if it is reaching the ground, maybe some combination of light rain, sleet, and maybe even a few snowflakes there. But we do have a weak little front that's going to move through today. You can see most of us upper 20s and low 30s. Cold morning, but definitely not as cold as the past few mornings here. And the winds have turned to the south at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And you can see the highs today about 50 for Texarkana, low 50s for Shreveport as well. And you can see all the clouds that are kind of passing through this morning. Here's the cold front that will be coming through today. Out ahead of the front, you can actually see that we do have some precipitation that has developed here. Having a really hard time making it over the higher terrain there in Arkansas, so I think a lot of this will probably fizzle out, but Futurecast does show what will likely be some light rain and maybe even just a little bit of sleet here north of I-30. I would expect very minimal impacts on the roadways, and I think most of this rain will fizzle before it has a chance to make its way down to Shreveport, but nonetheless, it will be a partly to mostly cloudy day and will clear out tonight. If you do have some outdoor plans this afternoon, this evening, just keep in mind it is going to be fairly breezy with that front rolling through. So even though the temperatures will be likely above freezing later this afternoon, it is going to be breezy once we get closer to sunset, which is going to add a bit of a wind chill to the temperatures. And then late tonight, you can see we'll drop back into the 20s. So another one of those very cold nights for us, and high temperatures tomorrow will fall off a few degrees. So we will be in the 40s on Tuesday, but Wednesday will be the day that we start to feel that warm air come back to the region. That 66 will feel really nice on Wednesday, and we do have a system on the way late Thursday into Friday, so I expect we will close out the week with a few showers and storms. There may be some light rain on Saturday, so if you're celebrating the new year, as far as Saturday, at least the temperatures will be comfortable. May have a little bit of rain around, but definitely not a washout for your New Year's weekend, and New Year's Day looking dry with a high in the upper 60s.